Hello everybody, Molly here from my channel Molly Fits Frown, and today we are at Universal Orlando. Happy New Year! This is our first theme park trip of the year. We are starting out at Islands of Adventure. It is kind of cloudy and chilly here today, so not the weather we're always used to, but I'm excited to have a little coolness for a change. So I'm also on the DJI Action 6 today, so if you're interested in cameras, stick around. I'm going to be testing this out. Right now I have camera audio internal running, so let's see how it goes. Let's have some fun. Are you excited? Yeah. Woo! I am. Let's go. The adventure begins. Okay, so we do know there is a free pass holder lanyard for Shrek that has been given out since January 5th. And today is what, like the 14th, so we might be too late to get it. I don't know. Hopefully they still have some, so that is where we're going to try first. Betty Boo! Hello! Alright, so we did stop and we got our lanyards, and now we are at Kong. It was on delay and it just reopened, so first ride of the day. So we just got off of Kong, and that was super cool. We did the part where they drove us around outside. We have never been on the outside portion before, so that was super cool. But now we are heading to Velocicoaster. We have an hour and a half left in this park, and then Universal Studios is open for an extra 3 hours. So if you are heading to Universal, always check their times because it changes like every day. So yesterday they were both open till 7. Today, Islands of Adventure 6, Studios 9. Oh, they got some walls here in the Jurassic area. A big update here for 2026 is the River Adventure is closed right now, and they are going to be closed until November of 2026. So excited to see what those refurbishments will hold, but here is Velocicoaster. Hey, we are here for a raptor encounter.
We're going to have you line up right over here.
Oh my goodness, on the line.
There you go. We're going to turn around and face the smartphone. Hi, Blue. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day, you guys. Thanks for stopping by. Good girl, Blue. We're getting extreme close-up. Yeah. There we go. Family, come on down.
We got Blue, our favorite of all the dinos to see. Oh, that was cool. We just got to walk right in. Usually this line is full and you can't even get in because it fills so fast. So that was a little bit of raptor luck right there. All right, now the ride. All right, it says 50 minutes. That's about the best you're gonna get, 45 or 50. Let's do it. Right, here we go. just got off of Velocicoaster. Patrick went back and rider swap rode it twice, so we got like 5th row when me and Patrick went, so not too bad. We did 1st row a couple times back and it was insane, so I don't know that I really need to do 1st row again. But now we are heading towards Spider-Man because this park is going to be closing pretty soon, so we only get to get in a few more rides, and Logan picked Spider-Man. Wonder what is going to happen to this area. They shut down all the Poseidon's Fury stuff, so it seems like eventually they're gonna have to put something over here. Maybe this will be the year. What's it gonna be? They gotta keep Mythos because it's like 10-time winner. #1 theme park restaurant in the world. Can't get rid of that one, but I don't know. I've heard rumors of Zelda and all sorts of things, but heading through Seuss Landing, and it looks pretty empty around here. Oh, because the Grinch is gone and Christmas is over, but oh, the sweets place. This is always a good one here in Seuss area if you're looking for some treats. That's a donut. Next to my hand, look how big that is. It's over here, more Seussy stuff. And the fudge. Alright, look at this giant green eggs and ham. But I like the vegan tots here. So if you're looking for something vegetarian, delicious, vegan tots. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, let's go, Logan. Oh, I got my vegan tots with the fake pepperoni on it. I can tell this is really hot, but I am desperate to get in.
Smells like a fresh pizza.
Try one. It smells like pizza. See, there's pizza sauce on the bottom. Vegetarian, looking for a snack? That's where it's at. Alright, we are walking past home. Okay, it's starting to rain a little. We're running to Spider-Man. We got 13 minutes to make it, and I can see it from here. Here we go, Spider-Man! 5 minutes, of course, into the day.
Shouldn't be out here. With Doc Ock on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades.
Alright, Spider-Man was super fun, and it is officially 6 o'clock, so the park has closed. They'll be finishing out the lines, and we're gonna head to Universal Studios. It's like my shirt. I got on my big Florida retro logo today. We're on the way out, and it says the adventure lives on. Yes, it lives on for 3 more hours to Universal Studios. Alright, here is City Walk at night. It looks so beautiful, reflecting on the water, and then of course Hard Rock. Yeah, I didn't put on super night mode yet, but it's got quite a bit of light out here right now still. On our way to Universal Studios. The globe is officially spinning again. We are here. We are in. It is nighttime. We've never gone in the Wicked exhibit over there, but I've also never seen the movies still, so. Oh, and they got Wicked food. Alright, we are having some rain at the moment, a little, and my jacket on just has a little bit of a hood because I'm trying to hide. Alright, wow, you can see the rain and the lights now. It says 35, hopefully it's less than that. Velocicoaster said 50 and we were off the ride within 35. Okay, the ET line was way too long. It looked like more than the 25 minutes that it said even, so we are moving along. Here, you want this one? Alright, me and Logan are here. We're gonna ride the alien ride. This one's like Dumbo, and that's always been one of Logan's favorites, so yay, Simpsons version. Wow, we're up high, aren't we, Logan? Everybody's at the top.
You have successfully turned against your own kind. Now go in fear and don't enjoy your day at Universal Studios.
Don't enjoy your day. Here's the other Simpsons ride. You want to do this one too?
This contains every medication that was lost in the park.
Starting to rain now, and we are heading to the exit. Gotta walk through the big shop on the way out though. We walked right past the old Rip Ride Rocket too. Been a lot of construction going on, and we still do not know what roller coaster is coming, so stay tuned for that. On to the Harry Potter section right away. And then we got Minions. Alright, so we made it on Transformers on the way out. It started raining more, so I don't even know if the drone show is going to happen tonight. So we are heading out, but we had an awesome time here at Universal today. So thank you for joining us on our magical adventures. See you next time.